Hello my dear students, today we will solve question number 5 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 2 relations and functions CBSE class 11 maths. So let us start question number 5. Find the domain and range of the real function f defined by fx is equal to modulus x minus 1. So first we will see rough work. So fx equal to mod of x minus 1. So put x equal to 0. So f0 is equal to 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. And put x equal to 1. So f1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And f2 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. f3 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And f4 is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And so on. Now f minus 1 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 2. And f minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 3. F minus 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 4. F minus 4 is equal to minus 4 minus 1 is equal to 5. So whether we put x equal to in positive or negative, we are getting the positive value because of this mod. So now solution. Domain. The domain is all possible input values. Domain क्या होता है? The domain is all possible input values that x can take for real function. So the function fx is equal to modulus x minus 1 involves an absolute value. इसमें absolute value involved है. So x can take any real value from r. जो हमारा r है उससे कोई भी x की वैल्यू हो सकती है. एंड फंक्शन विल ऑलवेज गिव अस ए वैलिड रियल वैल्यू आंसर. Therefore, domain is equal to R, all real numbers. Now range. The range is the set of all possible output values that we get from the inputs. जब हम inputs यानी x की वैल्यू जो भी रखें 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, तो रेंज कैसे निकलेगा? ये इनपुट वैल्यूज़ देने से जो आउटपुट वैल्यूज़ आएंगी वही होगा रेंज. सो द रेंज इज़ द सेट ऑफ ऑल पॉसिबल आउटपुट वैल्यूज़ दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम द इनपुट्स. द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू सिंबल this turns any number negative or positive into a positive number or 0. Because of modulus, the output x minus 1 can never be negative. ये कभी भी negative नहीं होगा. The lowest possible output is 0 when x equal to 1. And outputs can grow as large as infinity. Therefore, range is equal to 0, infinity. So answer, domain is equal to R, all real numbers, and range equal to 0 to infinity is equal to non-negative real numbers. यदि इसमें आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट लिखिए और साथ में ये भी बताइए कि यह वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा. विद दिस बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू.